Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to off clone app in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Click on apps. Here you can see the option of app clone. Press on this. If you want to off your clone app, you just have to turn off the button. Press on OK. That's it. So this is how to off clone app in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.